Ka-chow!
Start by loosening the 3 screws. They should be captive, which means they won't come all the way out. Then lift up on the airbox lid and remove the engine air filter. If yours is frozen like this, you may need 2 hands. If you have a portable vacuum and want to perform this extra little step, it does help keep your new air filter cleaner for longer. Always compare your old parts to your new parts, then install the filter in reverse order by putting the thick side down and tightening the screws to hand tight. When you put the lid of the airbox down, you should never have to force it, and it's always a good idea to start all the screws a couple threads before tightening any of them all the way down.
Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe below so we can help other people find this video. I offer automotive education and consulting, so if you need help completing this job, my contact information is in the description below.